Hello children, welcome back to my classes. Today we are going to talk about casting out nines. This is a topic in the lesson patterns, and casting out nines basically means wherever we see the digit 9, or in terms when we take up addition, wherever we see that the sum of two numbers or three numbers is coming out to be 9, we are going to move them aside or cut them out. Let's see how to do it. It is a very fun way. Let's see. This is basically used to check your answers. I've taken up a question from your books of the first question where you have to solve this out through the casting out nines method. So now see, this is in terms of addition. This is done in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all. So in every video I'm going to show various operations where we see how to do the casting out of 9. So in order to solve this, what we'll do is we'll first write these numbers individually. The first is 6 1 2 3. So at a little gap I'm going to write 6 1 2 3. Then this number, as you can see, this is a 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number. I've always told you to start writing from your ones place. 1 2 1 5 and 4. Likewise this one, 4 3 2 1 and 9. The very first step is to add the numbers. Okay, so when you add up the number, you will get here as 8. Here you will get 7. Here you will get 4. Here you will get a 12. And here you will get a 14. This is what we've got as an answer till now. Okay, now very first thing we need to do is, in order to cast out 9, wherever you see 9, first strike it off. I see a 9 here, I'm going to strike it off. And now individually every row we're going to check. Okay, so 6 1 2 3. If you observe children, if you add up 6 and 3, तो भी आपको क्या मिलेगा? 9 मिलेगा. तो उसको हम स्ट्राइक कर देंगे. या तो आपको 9 दिखे बेटा, या तो 2 नंबर्स या 3 नंबर्स का जो सम है उनको ऐड करने के बाद भी अगर 9 आता है तो आपको उसको भी स्ट्राइक ऑफ करना है. तो इफ़ यू ऑब्ज़र्व 6 और 3 को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो भी हमको 9 मिलता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्ट्राइक ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. In the second line, if you see, if we add up 4 and 5, then also we get a 9. Okay, besides the 9 that we had cut here or striked here, if you observe, the remaining numbers are 1 2 3 and 4. If you observe children, 4 plus 3 will give you 7 and 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So we can strike these three numbers together. I'm using the same color just to show that which numbers have been added together in order to strike them off. So 4 में अगर आप 3 ऐड करोगे तो आपको 7 मिलेगा, 7 में 2 करोगे तो आपको 9 मिलेगा. तो इसलिए इन तीनों को भी we have striked off successfully. Okay, now I'm coming to the answer part. Here also we have to follow the same rule. Okay, so if you see this 7 and 2, 7 plus 2 will give you 9. Then this 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9. So if you observe here now, we are left with a 1 and a 2. We are left with a 1, a 2 and a 1. Over here just a 1. Over here just 8. In the next step we're going to write the leftover numbers. Okay, as you can see children, these two encircled numbers were left here. उसको आप इस फॉर्म में लिखोगे 1 + 2 will give you a 3. इस लाइन में we got बेटा 1, 2 and 1. So 1 + 2 + 1 will give you 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 is 4. Then over here we were just left with the digit 1. So I'm going to write down 1. And at the end I am going to do the totaling here. 3 + 4 is 7, 7 + 1 is 8. And if you observe children, over here 8 is left, and as after casting out, the number that is left here is 8. So we have striked out the casting out of 9's, and when we added up the excesses, जो हमने excess add किया है, then we've got the same answer. 8 is left here and 8 is left here, and that is how you solve casting out in addition. Thank you. So children, this excess from the sum जो यहाँ बच गया है बेटा, this is the excess from the sum that is left, and this is the excess from the addends. जिनको ऐड करते हैं we call them addends, isn't it? So this should always be equal. In case they are not equal, that means some mistake has been done and you need to recheck. So very nicely it can be done. Okay, and I would like you to follow the video and try out the remaining questions based on addition on your own. Thank you so much for watching.